This is a complete beginner guide to drive Uber in 2026. So first of all, let's open this particular application, which is called Uber Driver, but not the regular Uber. So make sure to install this one, and then you can simply open the application. Here you can see there are a lot of things that you can do. So if you already have an account, you can tap on Find My Account and find your account. And in here, if you do not have your account, what you can do is continue with any of those platforms if you want to, or else you can simply add in your email address and then tap on continue. After doing that, here you'll require the verification. So a 4-digit code will be sent to your email. Simply open your email inbox and check out that 4-digit code. Here you can see that one, and go back and simply paste that code in there. So after pasting the code, the verification has been confirmed. After verifying your email address, the next step will be verifying all of your governmental documents, your profile picture, your driver's license, your TLC license, your insurance card, your commercial vehicle registration, NYS DMV inspection, TLC for hire vehicle permit, and also your background check. So what you're going to do is tap on all of these options and fill all of the required documents that Uber needs you as a driver. So after filling up all of that documents, you can now successfully create your own Uber driver account, and like that you'll be able to use your Uber for driving in 2026, and that's it.